Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed about the computer's organization. Now, this is the part of also computer organization memory unit. Here we discuss about the memory unit, measuring units. Here you can see that bit. We know that binary language stands in the 0 and 1. Okay, nibble 4 bits byte, it is a collection of 8 bits 4041, and 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte, and 1024 megabyte kilobyte equal to 1 megabyte, and 1024 megabyte equal to 1 gigabyte, and terabyte 1024 GB equal to terabyte, petabyte, hexabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte. These are the measuring units, memory unit. Now, input device. Input device are those devices through which we can send the data into the computer. For example, in keyboard, scanner, microphone, etc. Mouse is a small handheld input device which controls the cursor in a graphical user interface. It can move and select text, files and folder on the computer according to user input. माउस हमारा, इसको आप पॉइंटिंग डिवाइस भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है, और ये आपका इनपुट डिवाइस के भी यूज़ काम आता है। स्कैनर स्कैनिंग के लिए यूज़ होता है। आपने सभी मोबाइल में कैम स्कैनर यूज़ करते हैं। ओके, तो स्कैनर आप डेस्कटॉप वाला भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, फ्लैट स्कैनर, और basically it is used to scan the documents, photos, or any notes, images, okay, through which we can insert our data into computer. OMR, optical mark reader, is used to read marks on document and send them to computer. OCR stands for optical character recognition, is an input device which reads printed text sent to the computer. Magnetic ink character reader is an input device which generally find application in bank to process checks. Microphone, webcam, graphics tablets, trackballs, barcode readers, gamepad, and joystick. These are also used as a input device. Okay. Now, output device, all of you know very well output device. What is output device? Through which we can receive the information, or we can see the information. Those devices are called output device. A device that can receive data from computer or another device to create output that data is called output device. Example: monitor, speakers, projectors. These are the output device through which we can receive, we can take some information. Okay, both input and output devices, both input and output devices. An input-output device is capable of receiving data from users on another device, also sending data to another device or computer. This means device which can use as both input device और output device. For example, आपने एक USB फ्लैश ड्राइव लिया है जिसको हम पेन ड्राइव बोलते हैं, आपने इनपुट करने के लिए यूज़ किया है, तो डेट मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग द डेटा, inputting the data and taking the data. That is also USB drive, facsimile, modems, CDRW, touch screen and headset. These are also the input and output devices. Okay, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा मोबाइल सिस्टम। इसको हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, एलोबरेट करेंगे। तब तक आप इसको पढ़िए ध्यान से, इसको लिखिए, इसके नोट्स बनाइए, ठीक है। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस